raining, it's pouring. So the first sign that we have is raining, and this happens up at head height, and it's raining. So, was it from up here? Raining. The next is pouring, and this has been pretty much what it's been doing on and off since Thursday. Pouring. Again, pouring. Then we have old. Old. See, my hand is sort of like a little claw. Old. Then we'll learn man. Man. So a nice, good strong parallel hand there. Man. This is old, this is man. Imagine his beard. And like most men do, they snore. So, snoring. Imagine a big clawed hand there. Snoring. Then he went. Went. To bed. Which I'm sure, when it's miserable weather like this, we'd all rather be in. Bed. Key importance there when you're signing bed is to keep your eye open. And this is because you might go to bed, but you might not go to sleep in bed. So always keep your eyes open. Bed. And he bumped his head. Oh. Bumped his head. But he just couldn't get up. So couldn't. And then we have get up. Starts like this, get up. Again, keeping those eyes open. In the morning. It's morning. So all together, and I've only given you a few of the signs there. There's only 11 to learn because Signalong is a keyword signing system. And it's because it was originally developed for those with autism, learning difficulties, cognitive difficulties, speech and language problems, things like that. We don't sign every single word in the sentence. That's because you can overcomplicate things, especially for those types of people. And we don't want that. The main important word, you can figure out a sentence altogether. If I said to you, oh, go over there, I don't need to sign anything. I can just point to over there and you'd sort of get the gist of what I was saying. And we kind of adopt that approach throughout the whole of our system. So whilst the whole nursery rhyme is a lot longer than that, we don't need to sign all of those. So I've given you the key signs there and I'll go through them again for you. So we have raining, pouring, old, man, snoring, went to bed, bumped his head, couldn't, get up, in the morning. So you can see, just putting those together, you can get almost 90% of the nursery rhyme there. So now we've got all of those, and I'm hoping that you're enjoying learning and you've been able to follow along. We'll put them together, and here's where it's going to get painful. I apologise. So, are we ready? Are you going to follow along? So starting up here. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. Let's go through it again. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, he bumped his head, he couldn't get up in the morning.